I'm going to do a short video on a New Holland B75D backhoe and changing the pads. Now these pads are rectangular. Not all the pads that are put on them are rectangular. Depending on which owner's manual you have, you'll find some that have a little panhandle. And the panhandle should go toward the backhoe side. Now this one has set down for these rubber pads so you can do concrete. I'm going to flip them over. And when you flip them over, this tall side goes toward the machine, goes toward the inside when you have them flipped. I can show you what it looks like here on this one, which is in the correct position. You can see that it is flipped so that the thickest part is toward the machine. That's a pretty simple operation. They are very heavy. You simply to remove one bolt right there with a 14mm wrench, and then you drive that pin out and replace it, and you'll flip it over and then put the pin back in. That's it. Pretty easy, pretty simple to change the feet on these. Good luck with your backhoe.